What's up, my fellow realtors? It's Adam Gillespie coming at you with the latest and greatest in the AI world and what it means for us as realtors. So grab your coffee, your beer, or whatever floats your boat, and let's dive into the wonderful world of AI in real estate. Have you ever wondered how top agents are doubling their sales and saving multiple hours each week? Well, what if I told you the secret lies in AI? So check this out. I've got a free masterclass that'll change the way you do business. In the free masterclass, I'm going to show you how AI can totally transform your real estate business. Now imagine saving multiple hours every week, boosting your productivity, and skyrocketing your sales. With AI, you can automate your tasks, create engaging content, and close more deals effortlessly. This masterclass is packed with strategies that are going to change the game for you. And here's the best part. We're not just talking about theory. You're going to learn how to use ChatGPT to create SEO optimized blogs, write high converting ad copy, manage your calendar, and so much more. These are real tools that you can start using today. This course is brand new, but it's already the best in the industry, and we're giving you all the cutting edge strategies that you need to lead the pack. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to register for this free masterclass, and don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. You can revolutionize your real estate business with AI. So register now and take the first step toward becoming a market leader. I'll see you in the masterclass. So today, we've got a lineup that's hotter than Denver in July. We're talking about Microsoft's new recall feature, the security hiccups, and how AI is jazzing up community tours, and Google's new wild video to audio tech that's set to change the game for realtors like us. So let's get into it. All right, so Microsoft, the ever overachiever, decided to bless us with a recall feature. Think of it like the Control Z for your digital life. Now hold up, before you get too excited, they also managed to turn it into a bit of a security circus. Screenshots stored unencrypted? Come on, Microsoft, who are you hiring? My grandma? But wait, there's more. We'll break down the security drama, Microsoft's delayed rollout, and what this means for us as realtors. Plus, get ready to supercharge your community tours with AI tools from Runway and create audio for your videos using Google's latest tech. Intrigued yet? You should be. Now, before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any future updates. Now, let's get this AI party started. So Microsoft has announced a new feature called Recall, which is aiming to be your new best friend in the digital game. It lets you search through your past activity by taking regular screenshots and indexing them. Pretty handy, right? Well, although it's still in preview and not broadly available to the public yet, the concept itself has generated a ton of buzz. But here's the kicker. Security experts raised the alarm as soon as it was unveiled. Turns out, Recall stores screenshots in an unencrypted format. So that's like leaving your laptop open on a coffee shop table. Yeah, probably shouldn't do that. So this has prompted backlash over privacy concerns, with critics calling it a dangerous honeypot for hackers. Now, due to these concerns, Microsoft is taking a cautious approach before the full release. They're pivoting to an opt-in approach with beefed up security measures. So these include Windows Hello authentication and just-in-time decryption, which means that Recall snapshots will only be decrypted and accessible once you authenticate. So this provides an additional layer of protection for your data. So what does this mean for us realtors who might use Recall in the future? Well, if you plan to use Recall once it's available, you're going to need to opt in and embrace these new security features. Microsoft has made it so that Recall will be off by default. So now users have to proactively choose to enable it. And this is to ensure that those who do use it are fully aware and consenting to the risks. But Microsoft's not stopping there. They've introduced several other safeguards to bolster their security. So they have Windows Hello Enrollment, which is actually required to enable Recall, and that adds an extra biometric security layer. Then we have Proof of Presence, which ensures that only you can view your timeline and search inside of Recall. So the Recall snapshots are actually protected by just-in-time decryption and an encrypted search index database, which makes it difficult for unauthorized users to access the data. Now, this is super important for us realtors as we have customer data stored all over our devices, and without the proper safety measures in place, we could be risking that data to hackers. Now, This feature is a part of Microsoft's broader Copilot Plus initiative, which integrates advanced AI capabilities into Windows PCs. By combining AI with robust security measures, Microsoft aims to make these tools both powerful and safe for everyday use. Now, this is crucial as we increasingly rely on AI for our daily tasks, and ensuring that our data security and privacy is more important than ever. So looking ahead, the recall feature has the potential to transform how us realtors interact with our digital devices. Now imagine being able to easily retrieve that important piece of information you saw days ago without having to dig through endless browser histories or documents. So for realtors, this could mean quickly accessing critical data during client meetings or a property showing. For example, you could easily retrieve a client's preferences or previous communication without having to scramble through all those email and notes. Or you can instantly find property details and past listing information that you might have reviewed earlier. And then you could also access recent market data or trends that you researched a few days ago without having to redo the search itself. So this level of accessibility can significantly improve productivity and client service, making sure that you have all of the necessary information at your fingertips when you need it. However, with great power comes great responsibility. So the ability to record and recall every single thing you do on your devices raises significant privacy and ethical questions. How is Microsoft going to make sure that this data isn't misused or accessed by unauthorized parties? And what safeguards are they going to put in place to protect users' privacy beyond just the encryption and authentication measures they've already put in place? So these are really important questions that Microsoft's going to need to address as they start to roll this feature out. So to sum it up, Microsoft's recall feature is a promising tool for managing and recalling digital activity, but its initial security flaws have been met with major concern. And with the new opt-in approach and enhanced security measures, it's looking like it's going to be safer and more reliable feature once it becomes available. For realtors, this means having a powerful tool at your disposal that can quickly access and recall important information, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your client interactions. So stay tuned as I continue to monitor how these updates roll out and their impact on user experience. This is a feature that could revolutionize how we interact with our digital lives, provided it's implemented with the necessary care and security. Next up, let's talk AI for city or neighborhood tours. We're seeing some game-changing tech that's shaking up how we create video footage for our tour videos. So listen up, realtors. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha could be the next big thing in real estate marketing. This AI tool creates high-quality video content, including drone-like footage, without needing the actual drone. Now imagine getting stunning aerial views and virtual tours of neighborhoods without the hassle of licensing or flying a drone. It's quick, customizable, and perfect for showcasing communities to potential buyers, especially those out-of-towners. With Gen 3 Alpha, you can highlight key features, add your branding, and make your listings pop, all while saving time and money. So this could be a potential game changer for us realtors. So get on board and watch your marketing soar. Now, we kind of saw this with Sora a few months ago, but we, the public, still don't have it. And it's almost looking like the only people that are going to get it anytime soon are going to be movie studios and famous people. Ashton Kutcher just got access to Sora. Like, really? So for now, we have to use what we can that's still quality, and so far, Gen 3 Alpha seems like it could work. So I tried it for a 4-second drone video over Denver, and it actually wasn't that bad. Check this out. I'll show you right now. All right, so as you guys can see, it sort of looks like the city of Denver, but kind of not really. But with it being such a short clip, I think this could work. So, as you can see, this could be pretty cool going forward, especially as the model gets better and better. I'm definitely going to use this to create some drone footage for my neighborhood tours and the city highlight videos I do. Now, it's important to remember that this is not perfect yet, so I would still stick with shorter clips of drone footage just to avoid any misrepresentation and things like that. Because as you could see from that video, it wasn't obviously Denver, but it looks like it up front real quick. So this is just a supplement to save us some time from having to set up a drone and all the maintenance that goes along with being a drone pilot. So with this all being said, it's obviously still better to do real drone footage at the moment, but for those of us that don't have drones, this is a huge opportunity to level up our video content without having to invest or pay a videographer every time we do a city tour or a highlight. So sound off in the comments. What do you guys think about this? Is this AI generated video quality? Are you excited about the potential like me, or is it just way too much? Let me know. Now, moving on, let's get into Google and what they're up to as they try to keep up with the the AI world, and that's actually proven to be pretty difficult for them lately, so I hope this next release is gonna be a good one. Well, Google DeepMind's new V2A is an advanced AI tool designed to convert silent video content into synchronized, high-quality audio. Now imagine uploading your property tour, having AI create the music that fits perfectly with the video. Pretty sweet, huh? So, how's it work? Well, Google's V2A tech takes video content and using visual analysis and text prompts generates perfectly synced audio. It's like having a Hollywood sound studio right in your pocket. The V2A model works by analyzing video frames to extract visual features, then using these features to create corresponding audio. This process involves advanced techniques like latent diffusion models and contrastive audio-visual pre-training, or CAVP. This ensures high-quality synchronization and audio-visual relevance. The AI refines random noise into coherent audio that matches the visual content and the user-provided text prompts, achieving a high degree of temporal consistency. In layman terms, it watches the video and creates a soundtrack based on what it sees. So think about it. Enhanced property listings and community tours with professional audio, automating soundtrack and dialogue creation, ensuring consistent audio quality, and even making your listings accessible to the visually impaired. This is a win-win, guys. And by using Google's V2A technology, realtors can create high-quality videos with synchronized audio that enhances the viewer's experience. And this is particularly useful for virtual tours where ambient sounds and background music make the property feel more inviting and realistic. Creating custom soundtracks and audio descriptions for property videos can be time-consuming, and it can be expensive, especially when using licensed music or hiring editors. V2A technology automates this process, saving both time and money by generating the audio that's tailored to the video content without the need for additional licensing fees or editors. So this could be pretty cool as an addition to what we just talked about as far as Gen3 Alpha goes, right? Basically, we could have Gen3 Alpha create the drone footage, put that drone footage into V2A, and it'll put music to the drone footage, giving us 100% originally created artwork. Well, via AI, of course, but we don't have to pay for the licensing because it belongs to us because we're the curators of that. So I am absolutely excited to try this once it becomes available, and I'll let you guys know what I think and if it's really that good. By the way, if you haven't dove into the AI music scene yet, you have to check out Suno AI. They've come a long way in the last few months, and they've even released version 3.5, which can create some pretty crazy full-length songs. While this might not be directly related to real estate, as you all know, I'm a musician, and I've been playing around on this, and I've created some pretty cool music, and I'm even going to create my new theme song for my YouTube channel on this platform, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. All right, guys, let's wrap this up. We covered Microsoft's recall feature, AI-enhanced community tours with Runway's Gen3 Alpha, and Google's innovative V2A tech. Look, the future of real estate marketing is here, and it's all about leveraging AI to stay ahead. And the perfect way to get ahead right now is to check out my free masterclass. The link is in the description below, and this class will absolutely level up your AI game. Once you're running around with your AI clone, you're gonna see how effective your marketing strategies can be when you combine your personality and speech patterns with the knowledge and creativity that we see inside of these large language models like ChatGPT. It's like having the world's best writer working just for you. So make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. I'm here to help you navigate this exciting new world of AI inside of real estate. So I'll catch you guys next time, and stay tuned for more updates.